If you're looking to quit Mailchimp, close your account, and permanently remove it the right way, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're switching email platforms, cutting costs, or simply no longer need the service, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can finish it quickly and confidently. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're in your account, look to the top right corner and click on your profile. This is where Mailchimp keeps your account-related options, including billing and settings. From the menu that appears, click on Account and Billing. This will take you to the section where you can manage your plan, account preferences, and cancellation options. On the account page, click on Settings. This is an important step because the account closure options are usually stored under the settings or billing area rather than on the main dashboard. After that, click on Manage My Plan. This is where Mailchimp lets you review your current subscription and access the cancellation workflow. Now, once you're inside the plan management area, look for the option that says Delete My Account. Click that option to begin the account deletion process. Mailchimp will likely show a warning or confirmation screen because deleting your account is permanent and can't be undone easily. Read the message carefully so you understand what will happen next. When you're ready, click Continue to Delete. This moves you one step closer to closing the account completely. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to confirm the deletion by typing the word delete exactly as shown. Make sure you enter it in all caps because the system uses this as a final verification step to make sure you really want to go through with it. Once you've typed delete into the field, click Permanently Delete. At this point, Mailchimp will process the request and permanently close the account. Depending on your account status, you may need to wait a moment while the deletion is completed. After that, your Mailchimp account should be closed and you'll no longer have access to that workspace. If you were mainly trying to stop billing, this is also the point where you should double check that your plan has been fully cancelled and that no future charges will come through. It's always a good idea to review any confirmation email Mailchimp sends you, just to make sure everything was completed successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to quit Mailchimp step by step and permanently delete your account. If this video saved you time, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials, walkthroughs, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.